Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 10 May. Today's video topic name is difference between set and map in the collection framework. So in Java, set and map both interfaces are the most important in the collection framework. These both interfaces are used to store an object into a single unit. So first is the set interface. Set interface implement the collection interface. Set interface, in the set interface elements are stored in any order, means set interface does not maintain the insertion order. In the set interface we cannot add the same element, means it does not allow the duplicate elements to store in the set. Set interface contains a key to find out the unique key in the set. Set interface contains hash set, link hash set, tree set. In a hash set does not maintain the insertion order, and it does not allow the duplicate element. In the hash set they have their own logic to print the element in any order. In the link hash set it maintains the insertion order, means whatever we have to add the element, then that order the output will be get. It also does not allow the duplicate element. Next is the tree set. Tree set contains the sorted elements, means whatever we have to put the or add the element, the output will be in get the sorted form. So next is the map interface. Map interface is not a collection framework. Map interface does not extend the collection interface. Map interface In the map interface elements are stored in any order, and it also does not allow the duplicate elements to store in the map. It contains key value pair, means whatever data we have to put into the map, it will be in the form of key and value. In the map it does not allow it contains one null key and the many null values. It does not allow the duplicate key, but it having the duplicate values, means for example there is a 10 and value is ABCD, another key is 11 and that also value is ABCD, means it contains a unique key and also contains duplicate values. Set and map both are present in the java.util package. Let's see the difference between set and map. First, in a set does not maintain the insertion order. In a tree also does not maintain the insertion order, means the elements are stored in any order. Next, in a set cannot allow the duplicate values. In a map does not allow the duplicate key, but they having the duplicate values. Third, we can easily iterate this set. We can easily iterate the set element by using key set and entry set method. By using the key set and entry set method, we have to easily iterate this set. But in a map, we cannot easily iterate the map. That's why we have to convert that map into the set, and by using key set and entry set method, we have to easily iterate that set, means we can easily iterate that map. Next, in the set we can add only one null value. In the map we can add only single null key and the any number of null values. Next, if you want to create the collection of the unique elements, then we have to use this set, because set does not allow the duplicate elements and it allows only unique elements. So if you want to create the unique elements or unique elements set, then we have to use the set interface. In map, if you want to store the data in the form of key value pair, then we have to use the map. And for the security purpose we have to use the map interface, because we have to store the data in the form of key value pair. So we have to store the ID, and according to that ID we have to store the record of that person. So for that purpose we have to use the map interface. Next, in this set, iterator can be used to traverse the set element. In the map we have to use the entry set, key set, etc. method to traverse the map in the to traverse the element in the map.